Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, and I am dealing with a cold, so hopefully this isn't going to sound too terrible for you. Wanted to come on here and give you my start of the week thoughts on XRP and where we're currently sitting. We couldn't have asked for a better, well, I would have liked to have seen more, but I'm always, I'm always in high demand of what XRP should do. But anyway, we did close the weekly above the old all-time high, so that is a great sign. We could have a little chop here still left. We could pull down to as low as 330, maybe even a little bit more, maybe 320 for the chop of wave 4. I don't see us doing that, though. It looks like here on the daily chart that we're showing a breakout of a bull flag here, so we should continue upwards towards 536 or 712 here in the coming days. As we come down to the 12-hour, again, we see similar strength, signs of strength here. It looks like we did our back test of the old all-time high, and now we're going to hopefully quickly break out. That would be a great sign to see. But yeah, all the lower time frames are looking good. Again, all the lower time frames have been reset as far as their RSI goes. Higher time frames still show overbought, and that's okay. We can continue to show overbought on the higher time frames, and that's not going to be a problem. You come down to like the hourly, clearly we reset on the RSI and the MACD. So things are looking good here. Not really concerned about anything that I'm seeing. We're currently in a subwave, fourth wave, about to start our fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're starting our fifth of a larger third degree. And this third degree wave is just very parabolic. I would look for this wave to either stop at 536 or 712. We could get an extension to 712. Once we know the intermediate target here, once we know where XRP is going to have some kind of daily pullback, and be ready, that daily pullback could be a 40 to 50% daily pullback. But once we have that, we'll get more clarity on where our higher target is going to be. Are we going to be stopping, in the low $11 to $12 range? Or is this going to be merely a stopping point for then a smaller wave 4 comparative to this 7-month wave 2? So will we have a wave 4 here and then put in a fifth wave up to about $23? Those are all things that remain to be seen. And part of what we'll be looking for is this intermediate stop-off point. We want to see the nature of that. We want to see the nature of what that price action looks like on the daily. How deeply do we retrace? What kind of sell volume do we have in a 4-hour candle? So all those things we'll be looking at over the next few days. And so stay subscribed, and I will let you know what I see when I see it. But as far as Monday goes, as far as our start to the new week here, everything looks great. And just notice the volume here on the daily. This was our wave 1, and again, we're assuming this was wave 1. I know many have this as wave 1, and it very well possibly could be. Now, don't want to rule that out. This could be wave 1, this could be wave 3, this could be 4, and this could be our fifth. But let's watch this volume closely. If we start to have greater volume than this volume here, then that's going to tell me that this is wave 3 that we're starting right here. So that's what we need to watch out for. Typically, wave 3s have your strongest volume. So let's see what happens here in our fifth wave. Let's see again what Bitcoin is doing. Let's see what Bitcoin dominance is doing. It continues to collapse and come into the ground, so that's good. Alt season is in full gear. You can see a lot of the altcoins that we're following: HBAR, Fartcoin, Stellar, TEL, XDC, Stronghold, Velo, Flare, Supra. All of those are looking great. I'm not going to go into those in detail today. But yeah, everything's looking good. This is buy and hold season. This isn't try to overtrade season. So don't get cute on the intraday thinking you can swing a wave. when these waves are going to extend, in my opinion. And I think we're already seeing that. So hope everyone has a great morning. Hopefully I'll feel better soon. Don't feel terrible, probably sound worse than I feel. But hope everyone has a great week, and we will stay tuned. Have a good one.